Today we are making the carrot cake. This carrot cake, it's out of this world. And this carrot cake, I didn't use any oil. No avocado oil, no coconut oil, no butter, no olive oil. Zero fat, and it tastes amazing. I took 1 cup of oats. I put it in the bowl, and then I boiled hot water, 2 cups of hot water, and I mixed it together with the oats. And I let the oats simmer for 30 minutes. In the meantime, 2 cups of fresh carrots, I shred them, 3 eggs, then I blend that together, and then I put a half a cup of raisins, and I blend the raisins. So the raisins, they kind of got chopped up, but the raisins gave more sweet. It was 30 minutes, then I drained the water from the oats, and I always like to drink the water because it tastes like a homemade oat milk. So now I have my oats in one bowl. Then I took the mix I had together with the carrots, the eggs, and the raisins, and I put it together with the oats. Then I add a half a cup of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I gave it a good mix. Then I took a tray. I put a parchment paper on the bottom, and I put the mix there. In the meantime, I preheated the oven for 375. I put the cake in the oven. 20 minutes later, I checked, and the cake, it was baked. And different ovens, the heat is different. Put the knife through the cake. If it's not clean, that means you can put it in for 5 more minutes. No white flour. I didn't put any sugar. The only sweetener I put, it was the maple syrup, a half a cup, and a half a cup of raisins. How can you beat that? I want you to feel good and be happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to find delicious recipes. My recipes, you're not going to find any white flour, sugar, or bad fats.